Hey everybody, I was just going to add a quick unboxing video here from Blue Planet Nutrients. Um, so, get it cut open. As you can see, it had all proper markings, handled with care. One thing I did see was that the bottom didn't look like it was sealed up too well. You got your how-to for using the Elite series. This was the 1 gallon. Bloom. Now obviously you see there's charts on there, but usually when you get the stuff you usually use half the recommended dose until you learn it, and then go from there. This is the grow. And all this stuff, you have to shake it every time before you use it. And the last one is the micro. And actually, I just showed them to you in reverse order. When you use them, you always use the micro. Put that in first, and then you put the your grow in, and then you put your bloom in. Because they say something about the micro, it needs just the water in it so that it can dilute properly and it doesn't get affected by the other ones. Because I guess in the concentration it has some effect on one of these other ones. So, but that's just the basic series line. Like I said, I've been using it and works pretty good. And you get the little measuring cup here. Get it out of there. Sorry about the video. Sticker and the measuring cup. Me personally, I just use a little glass eyedropper. That's everything.